right, it's official. We're gonna invade old school car clipper collection. The man of the hour that got every clipper and don't use none of them. So what we gonna do is we gonna go invade his stash and see what we can take and review. Might as well, he got everything. Let's go see what he got. What you got over here, man? I don't gotta buy nothing to review. We gonna take all your stuff, Carl. What I decided to take from him was the Babyliss, what are these? The Babyliss Pro cordless with the gold FX blade on it. I've never used these. I've never used a Babyliss product. Nothing against Babyliss, but I've never used a Babyliss product, so I'm taking these from Carl. Yes, I know I need a shade. Got a handy dandy charger with the super extra long cord. Plug this thing on in real quick so we can get some juice. Get in there. All right, now send that. Don't laugh at my clipper brush, okay? It's gotten me through plenty of days, you know. I don't know what's going on with the quality now, but you know, this is the first time this has happened to me. I'll say that. All right, now we got these puppies plugged in. I guess that means they're charging. We're gonna do some cleaning to these boys. You know, clean them up real good, charge them up real good, and then we're gonna throw them into action and see what happens. Got this blade off, cleaned it off. What I will say, taking this off right here and this spring and trying to put it back on, man, look, was a task all in itself. I'm not gonna lie to you, it was not a walk in the park. It wasn't a piece of cake. It took a little time. I'm not gonna lie. It took me a minute to get this back on. When you're taking this blade apart, this comes off. But if you can see this spring in there, it's set. So when you take this screw out, it's gonna pop off. And to get it back on, I hope you ate your Wheaties, drunk your energy juice, drink, or whatever you do, your protein shake, because it's gonna take all of that to get that back on. I'm not gonna lie to you. It was something, but I got it back on. Now let's get to putting these back together. Now I just gotta put this back on, the bottom blade, and we're ready to go. And for all of you saying, why didn't I put that on first before I put this on? That was a bigger task, because I did try to do that at first, and it ain't work. So we doing like we doing it. We not pros, we working on the fly. You know this. So now let me get this on. All right, we back together. Now we can go. Put them in some blade wash. Get them clean. Oh, got a little splash going. Spray a little clipper clean on that too. A little spray and wipe down. And I think we ready now. Let's go. Now, I don't know how to set these. I didn't even try. I just cleaned them, put them back together. I'm just gonna go with them on the fly just to see what they do. I'll try to figure out how to set them later, if I can set them. I don't know. Like I say, this is my first time using these. So yeah, we just gonna put them in action and see what they do right off the rip. Yeah, I know you see my brush. That just lets you know we really did clean these, you know. And like I said, you know, don't get on me in the comments about my brush. You know, the quality control nowadays it's not what it used to be, it seems. All right, there we go. We cleaned it up. It's all better now. All right, it looked like we're gonna have to set the blade on these, and it looks like the way to adjust the blade on these is these little slots right here, which seems to push the blade up and down. It looks like a hex key situation. Let's see if we got something. Yeah, I think that's gonna fit. I think that's it. I think we got it. No. Yep. There we go. Yeah, we had to take a quick pause for the calls because we had to go get a couple things. We did not have the adjusting tool and the zero gapping tool that we needed to adjust these because old school Carl lost them. But that's all right. I think we got what we need. And I know this little piece of information I'm about to drop on you all is going to help you if you do not have this little adjusting tool that comes with it or that zero gapping tool that comes with it. And no, we don't have the zero gapping tool, but that's okay. That's okay. We're going to figure it out. Now, I know what you're thinking. I may have overdone it, but that's okay. At least we ready. We ready for everything now. Whatever come our way, we got it. All right, now look, tell a friend, because this is going to be a very imperative piece of information that you're going to need if you do not have the adjusting tool for these Babyliss Pro Gold FX trimmers. First thing you're going to need to do is buy an entire hex key set. You will need the 1.5 size hex key. All right? The 1.5 size. You can see I have the long and the short. And yes, we are using the metric system for those of you all who need that extra piece of information. And here we have both the long and the short 1.5 size hex keys. And as they say, this is the long and the short of it. If you don't take anything else away from this video today, I'm glad most of you probably are utilizing this part right here, because this part is one thing that has plagued everybody who didn't have those necessary pieces they need to adjust their Babyliss trimmer. I'm looking for some new subscribers just off that. Just off that right there, I should get some new subscribers. I think I deserve that, because if you don't know, like I just found out, Babyliss gives you an adjusting tool and a zero gapping tool in the packaging when you buy these brand new. But we don't have them brand new, and we don't have it, so we got to improvise. Okay, I do believe we have successfully adjusted this blade. We didn't have the zero gapping tool, but it looked like we made it work out pretty good. If I have to do some more adjustments, then I'll just do it. But for now, I think we're going to take this and we're going to see what we got. Let's cut some hair. That was pretty good. for a guy that did not have the proper tooling to be able to adjust and zero gap the blade and had to do it freehand, I think we did pretty good. Not only did we get the job done of resetting this blade, but they actually performed pretty good. Now, I did have to fidget with them a little bit to get them right where they are now, but I think for right now, I think we got something we can work with. I'm finna put these through rigorous testing. We gonna put these things through barber boot camp. We gonna see if they stand the test of time of these days, these long barber days and nights, up in here cutting head after head after head after head. I can't play with y'all talking all day. I got to get ready to go cut me some hair. I got to put some hair on the floor. So till the next time I catch y'all, when I catch y'all, to see if I actually broke these or not, because we gonna try to break them. Go like, subscribe to the channel, tell a friend to tell a friend. Y'all already know I'm B. Adams, reporting live from Adams Barbershop, 5138 West Madison, Chicago, Illinois, 60644, and I'll holler at y'all.